Children, now come to purification of water. To make the water fit for drinking is called purification of water. Impurities are of two types. Some are soluble impurities which are dissolved in water, and some are insoluble impurities which do not dissolve in water. So we will discuss the methods to remove the impurities from water. First method is by filtration. Separation of insoluble impurities with the help of filter paper is known as filtration. So in this method, you can see in the picture, you should take a filter paper, fold it twice, then one part to get cone shape, then fit this cone on a glass funnel. You can see in the picture, pour some muddy water into it, stir with the glass rod. The impurities will be left on the filter paper. Clean water will be collected in the glass jar. So this method is known as filtration. Children, now the next method is sedimentation and decantation. When muddy water or water having some insoluble impurities in it, this water is kept undisturbed for some time. Then impurities will settle down and the clear water comes up. You can see in the diagram in the picture. Then the insoluble impurities are settled down after some time, and we can pour the clean water into another vessel, and we can get the clean water. This method is called sedimentation and decantation. Children, next method is distillation. Through this method we can get the pure form of water, that is called distilled water. And in this method, the evaporation and condensation. What is evaporation? To boil the water to get the water vapors. Water just evaporate, this is and become water vapors. This is called evaporation. And condensation, when water vapors are cooled down, then they get the shape, they again become water, liquid water. This is called condensation. In this method, first water is boiled and impurities are left behind, then that water vapors are cooled with the help of condenser and to get a water. And this is the, you can see in the picture, first water is boiled, these water vapors are then cooled through a condenser, and then they become water and it is collected here. This is called the pure form of distilled water, and it is used for medical purposes also. Children, the water that is fit for drinking is known as potable water. So we can purify the water by using many methods at home, like we can boil the water to kill the germs, to purify water. Then we can add chemicals like potassium permanganate and chlorine to purify the water. The process of adding chlorine into the water to get the pure water, that is called chlorination. We can use RO filtration also, filter also, to get the pure form of water. So children, this is all about chapter number 11, air and water. Thank you.